First is overnight E. coli culture in LB medium. Then there are three buffer solution, namely solution 1, solution 2 and solution 3, and then isopropanol and ethanol, that is 70% ethanol is also required. Take 1.5 ml of this bacteria culture into a 1.5 ml centrifuge tube. So once we take this 1.5 ml, then we have to centrifuge it so that the pellet will be absorbed. Dips in a centrifuge tube and will spin it for a period of 1 to 2 minutes. You can see that this is the pellet and this is the supernet. So what we will do now is we will drain out the supernatant and we will dry the pellet. So we have to carefully drain out the supernatant and we have to see that no bacteria medium is present inside the tube. Pellet, what we have to do now is we have to add 100 microliters of solution 1. Once we have added 100 microliters of solution 1, what we have to do is we have to mix it properly so that the pellet is resuspended in the solution 1. So this Eppendorf tube, which is containing the solution 1, will be now kept in an ice chamber or in an ice pack for a period of 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, we have taken out the tube containing solution 1. And to this we are going to add 200 microliters of solution 2. So this is solution 2, and what we are going to do is we are going to add this into the tube. So once solution 2 is added, what you have to do is you have to gently handle this tube and you have to gently shake the tube for a period of few minutes, and after that this will be taken and will be kept in the ice pack. We take the after the 5 minutes incubation of solution 3, we have to spin it for a period of 10 minutes at 14,000 rpm. So we will place it in a high speed centrifuge. And we have to see that we balance it, and then we have to carry out the process. Tubes in a centrifuge, and we have to see that we have to balance it properly, and after placing it in a centrifuge, you have to begin the process. Madam. Run the centrifugation for 10 minutes at 14,000 rpm. We will carefully remove the tube, and here we see that we have got a pellet and we have got a supernatant. Now what we have to do next is we have to carefully remove the supernatant into a new tube, and we have to discard the pellet. So here I will take another tube, and what I am going to do is I am going to remove the supernatant from this tube, and I have to give it to the new tube. So here you see whatever pellet is there is actually not required, and these are all the debris, and this has to be discarded. Now this is the supernatant which we have collected. Now to this supernatant, what we have to do is we have to give 2/3 volume of isopropanol. This supernatant, we have to give 2/3 volume of isopropanol. So after adding isopropanol, we will tilt this tube few times, and after that we will keep this tube in minus 20 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. So after we have added isopropanol, we will keep it in this minus 20 degree freezer for a period of 20 minutes. From the freezer, we have to spin this tube for a period of 5 minutes at 6000 rpm. Out from the centrifuge, we have to decant the supernatant, that is this isopropanol, and we have to be very careful while decanting it. And to this tube, we have to add around 0.6 ml of or 600 microliters of ethanol. Once ethanol is added, we have to wash the tube in this way, and we have to keep it at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes.